Good evening, we're the nerds and we're back for some more Pokemon card openings. We got the Shrouded Fable Mini Tin. As you know, Pokemon cards are very hard to find, but we finally found the 151 Booster Bundle. Looking forward to opening that. That's our most exciting set that we're looking forward to. We haven't opened up any of those packs yet, so definitely want to do a complete 151 Master set. But join us as we get the Shrouded Fable opened up and the 151 Booster Bundle. So we have the 151 Booster Bundle. We're looking forward to this. We want to work on doing a complete Master set for this. This is our first time opening any of the 151 packs. That goes back to the OG, what we're so familiar with. And then we have the little mini tin here, which is the Shrouded Fable. Cool thing is on the back here, they have some artwork, which is pretty nice on the back. And we will get these opened. Got our trusty Ditto here with us. And also, the 151 has been super hard to find. We're able to pick this up from a TikTok shop that we follow. And great people at the couple. And I believe they're actually going to Disney like 2026. And so they're saving up from all the stuff they sell. It's a Rhino the Pro TCG, I believe it is. There's a couple on there. And that's actually where we got the Ditto idea from. So the trusty Dittos. So I'll link their TikTok shop in the description below, so be sure and check them out. It's a great couple, and they super fast shipping, very reliable, very awesome. Very cool on those, and there should be 2 packs in here. So the 2 packs of Shrouded Fable. I like these little tins. These are pretty nice to hold cards in and things like that. So I am still using the old knife to open the packs up here. And let's get going. Code card. The Zubat. Duskull. Little Savant. The Academy. Let's see, Night Stretcher, another Duskull, little owl guy. Oh, a Kingdra EX. So that is a beautiful card. Look at the way that shines. Oh, wow. That is really cool. We'll get Stephanie to get that sleeved up right there. It's about $1.94 on Pokedata. Up to the next pack right here. The Sneasel, Varoom, Hypno. Come on. Oh, the Iron Moth. I always love that card. We've seen it before in other packs. I don't think it's actually worth anything, which is really cool looking. The Seadra. And the Revaroom. That's like the evolved version of Room EX. That's pretty cool looking too. I love the way that those shine and glisten, especially in the light there. That is awesome. Only about 41 cents. It looks like trending, but hey, I'll take an awesome card any day of the week. And here is what we're most excited about. 6 booster packs from the 151. Let's get this guy open here. Now we go back. We're OG, so the originals is where we are. And we've been learning a lot about the new Pokemon and really getting the Pokemon cards recently. We do a lot of Pokemon Go pretty much every day. So anything that we know the most about is going to be in this set right here. The 151. I love the artwork on it already. Everything. This is going to be exciting. If I could just get the actual booster bundle open. I forgot it slides out from the side. And there we go. All 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll get going on these right now. Let's get a couple of these opened real quick. A handy dandy Ditto knife. I've never been good at the pack openings. Steph can get them real quick, but I I struggle with it for some reason. There we go, our first one, 5-1. You ready, Steph?
I'm ready.
This is exciting here. All right, so there we go. I think it's just one from the back like normal on these. Energy, Psyduck, the old snake, the old commode, the Vulpix.
Charizard.
And this is exciting to see this. Scyther. And the Charmeleon. Come on. Come on. The Arena.
Whoa! What is it? Oh, man.
That's the Flareon. Still very cool looking though. Very nice. Get the next one open right here.
Reverse hollow.
A little reverse hollow card. Oh, I didn't even oh, that Flareon showing what's 269, I believe it is.
Yeah.
269. That's pretty good. There we go. Basic energy. Little seahorse. Diglett. The Pidgeots. This is exciting to see all the originals that we're so used to. Look at the Muck. Oh, I love that. Execute. Dodrio. Very nice. Our little Flareon out there. Come on, big hits. What do we need, Steph?
We need a Charizard.
The old Charizard is
Or
what
the
we need.
Blastoise. Or the Venusaur. The Zapdos. Charmander would be nice.
You heard it. Oh! Look at the basic energy card. That's the like the hollow basic energy. What does it actually even go for, I wonder? I'm not sure if it's worth a whole lot, but that's our first energy card we've ever gotten with that holographic. Look at the sparkles and everything. This is exciting.
Five-ish?
No, that's the gold one, so it'd just be the basic. Card number 3. The Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, come on, Kadabra, yep, works some magic here, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Tentacool, and the Ginjar. Oh, look at that. Oh, one more. I forgot. There's one more actually in the back.
What?
Woo! Madrill. All right, we got 3 more packs to open right now. Let's see if I can get this on the rip. We'll try this again. See, I just don't have that technique or that trick down yet to get the rips open. So I've got this one open here. We will get there eventually. There we go, another pack open of the 151. The original.
Yeah, I got it.
There we go. All right, put that right there to open up next. The one Steph just ripped. There we go. The old Zubat. Right on.
I want 250 on this one.
Oh, that's nice. Little Gengar is 250. Sandshrew. Nidoking. Oh, yes. The Wigglytuff EX. Oh, I like old Wiggly. Look at this big old belly sitting there just laying around. Expanding belly is his ability. I love the way that card sparkles. That is so neat. It's number 40. Wow. And it's 95 cents is all. But man, I just love the way the EXs look. It's just That is so cool. This is the one Steph just ripped right there.
Expanding body is his ability.
Oh, it's not belly?
No,
I was already his belly.
Me too, Wiggly. That's funny.
The Jigglypuff, the Starfish, Charmander, the Machoke, my favorite to use in Pokemon Go, along with Machop. Hitmonchan, Cycling Road. Whoa, the Dragonair! Oh, yes, it looks awesome. That's
nice.
the full art. This one is 181 out of 165. Steph checks all of these as we're going through. What is it? What do we get?
28,
27.
Yeah, 28, 27.
Oh, man, that is a beautiful card. There's one more behind it, too. The Raichu.
Ooh.
That's nice.
What's that one?
26. Get these sleeved up real quick.
Is it reverse hollow? Or, yeah. Or hollow?
That's just a hollow. I believe it is. Because it reverses the whole card.
18.
18 cents?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Look at that. That is a winner right there.
Where's the
wow.
The other sleeve?
We'll get it out here in a minute. All right, our last pack of the night.
Oh, this one's a good one.
We're going to definitely have to get more of these card packs for sure as soon as we can find them. And everything we bought actually from that TikTok shop with that nice couple has been hits for us. We've been getting non-stop hits from that channel. Not saying you will, of course, but it's been a good bunch from us. So, basic energy. Little magnet guy. Little caterpillar guy. The beautiful Eevee. Come on. Grimer. Come on. We're getting there. Giovanni. Stephanie actually was just battling Giovanni in Pokemon Go.
True story.
Sheldon Cooper. There we go. What do we got next? The Charizard EX.
No freaking
what?
way.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I don't even have to put a number in. It's the
That's
first one here.
199. Wow. So raw right now, that card, Steph's going to show you 253 on TCG card market eBay. So 253.
No freaking way.
Oh my goodness. That is the Blastoise EX. What? Oh my goodness.
Oh, what's his number? I can't find him.
184. Oh, wow.
Okay, well that one's not as impressive.
That's still amazing.
What the heck, guys?
Wow.
Rhino the Pro. Thank you for
this
pack.
They are delivering hit after hit to us, and I know it's all random, but wow. Oh. We're gonna be smiling ear to ear for the next few hours.
I cannot wait. You gotta show Brittany.
Charizard EX. Yeah, we'll show Brittany. I'll text Brittany. Brittany's another channel, a good friend of ours that is Pokemon and stuff. I want to let it go. Well, with that being said, these are our big hits for tonight. Starting off with the Flareon, and I am super happy with the 151.
Look at that too.
You put that.
Look at it.
That looks amazing, doesn't it?
There's no issues. It's not heavy on either side.
Wow,
it looks really. It's centered.
Well, we send that off to grading for sure.
For sure. Next
up, we'll get this one sleeved here real quick. Is the Blastoise EX. Amazing card. Stephanie showed it to you in a minute. Oh, I'll show that one. But look at the Dragonair. Look at that. Full art. Beautiful card. And then number one hit for the night. We'll get these in actual other sleeves too. Don't worry. Is the Charizard. That could possibly be a 10.
It could.
What is a 10 going for right now? I mean, I don't see any creasing. I don't see any anywhere. Oh, right there at the very bottom corner is a little something.
No, is it?
Yeah, see right there at the very bottom corner.
Oh, there's a little white dot.
Yeah, a little nick in the bottom corner.
Okay, hold on.
Luckily, it's on the back. Centering's a little off, but looks pretty close. I mean, that's probably a good solid 8 for sure, I think, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Hold on.
You go back to Pokédex, should show
I want to
me.
go here and do it. What is it?
That 190, 199,
What's the 164?
165. Yeah, so we're at a TCG player right now. Looks like 204. Market price is 220. I'm not seeing anything for graded right now. We'll have to do some research on that. But it looks like a pretty solid card overall. Just that one little nick in the corner right there is what I'm seeing.
198, 165.
But with that being said, thank y'all for joining us. We got some hits tonight, and the nerds are